Welcome to Science with Miss I. Today we're going to look at why does hot water rise and cold water sink. Alright y'all, here we're going to add in the blue food coloring into our large bowl of cold water. Stir it up, let it spread all throughout that water so you can get a good blue tint. Now you're going to add some red food dye into your warm water. Again, you're going to stir that up just like you did with the cold water. Let it spread all throughout. You're going to add the lid back onto the bottle so that you can set it down into the cold water. Make sure it's on tight. Put it in. Slowly remove the lid from the water bottle. And then you're just going to watch to see what happens. So as you notice, that warm water, the red, is going to come out of that bottle and go into the cold water. Now it does not sink to the bottom though. You're going to notice that it stays on top of that blue water. And that's because things that are warmer are going to rise. Things that are colder are going to sink or stay at the bottom. This has to do with the movement of those atoms. So when things are heated up, those atoms are going to move faster, they're going to spread out, they're going to become less dense, and they're going to rise up. When they're cooled down, they're going to become more compact, so they're going to get closer together, they're going to become more dense, and they're going to sink. So this is a good experiment to show density and how that works. And it's also a good experiment to show how our ocean currents work as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.